Welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Oliver.
And my name's Ben. So in this video we're looking at another Trigkey Mini PC. We've done two so far. Yep. We've done the S3 and the G3. Both brilliant PCs. We're doing another video soon on both of them with a 1 month review. But so far so good. So Trigkey have sent us another device to have a look at. And this is the Trigkey N4 Mini PC. So it's Intel Celeron N3350 processor. It's got 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage. It's got Wi-Fi, gigabit LAN, and other specs that we'll go through once we've done the unboxing. So the plan is for this one. So the Trigkey S3 is in the office as our main PC. We do video editing, streaming, OBS recording like this video on there. Works with Treat, perfect. The second G3 is a slightly lower spec machine, but still really powerful. Good enough for word processing, web browsing, watching videos. Good general family PC. Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll put some links up in the corner with links to the videos we did for them. But for now, what we'll do is we'll go down to the desk with a camera. We'll do the unboxing of the PC, and then the plan is to install it in Oliver's room. Oliver's going to be using it. What are you going to use it for, Oliver? Things like playing on Roblox. Playing on Roblox, watching YouTube, anything else? Maybe a bit of Scratch, bit of programming, stuff like that. Yeah, some basic stuff. So we'll do that now. Okay, so here we are. Oliver is going to unbox it. Oliver, so go for it. So we've obviously got the box that's coming. It's got a bit of cellophane wrapped around it, which Oliver is peeling off now. Get rid of that rubbish. Okay, so it's in a sleeve. Oh, yeah. Push the sleeve. There we go. So get rid of the sleeve. I think it should lift out. So do it that way, and lift the box up. So all three of these have been really well boxed, really well packaged. Nice. This is a slightly smaller box than the previous one because obviously it's probably a smaller PC. So we've got there, Oliver.
Instructions, I think.
Okay, user manual. We don't need that. Bit of foam on the top just to protect it a little bit. Yeah. So we've got the PC there. So just pop the PC out and pop it down there for now. Let's see what else we've got in the box. Okay, what we got in there, Oliver?
We've got some, it says accessories.
Accessories. So we've got the power adapter. Power adapter, some screws, and this is HDMI cable. Anything else in there? No. Anything else under that? Just check just to make sure. No, won't come out. That's cool. That's fine. Okay, so that's everything out of the box we've got there now. So we've got the power adapter, which is really small power adapter in Oliver. Yeah. It's even smaller than the previous ones. Obviously, it needs less power, so that's why the power adapter is smaller. But that is literally no bigger than. In fact, we've got one just there. I think, Oliver. Breathe in. So we've got Samsung USB charger. You know, it's not that much bigger really than that. So that's cool. Okay. Some screws. You might be able to mount it. I don't know. And a HDMI cable. So do you want to get the PC out, Oliver? Yeah. So PC in a plastic sleeve. Okay, so there it is. It's tiny, isn't it, Oliver? It's tiny. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. So what does it say there, Oliver, on the front? During the system boot. Oh, it's about connecting to your account if you can't connect to your account. So what can you tell what ports we've got on there? What ports we've got on there, Oliver?
HDMI port.
No, they're not HDMI. So we've got headphone port, yeah.
Power button.
Power button. And there are 2 USB ports on there. Okay. Yeah? So flip it around to the back. See what other ports we've got. So we've got LAN. Show the camera. Got LAN, 2 HDMI, another USB, and the power there. Now there's some vents on the side. I'll show the camera. Yeah, so some vents on the side, obviously for ventilation there.
There's something there.
Oh, another USB port. So how many USB? How many of them are there?
There's 3.
It's like how many are there?
1, 2. Yeah, there's 3.
1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports. Wow, that's pretty cool. So you can put 4 accessories in there. 2 HDMI ports. Might be dual display again, like the G3 was. So I'll tell you what we'll do. Oliver, just unplug that other PC there. Let's pull the HDMI cable out and the power. Okay, so what we've got here on camera, that there is the Trigkey G3. So just to put them next to each other to compare. So hold them up and see the thickness, Oliver.
That one's not as heavy.
No, so put them together and show the thickness to the camera. So you can see the N4 is half the thickness of the G3. That's pretty impressive. So it's the same kind of size. It's even smaller that way as well, look.
Yeah.
It's a lot smaller. Okay, so you can pop the G3 back over there, Oliver.
Plug it in.
No, just pop it over there for now. Okay, so there we are. That's the unboxing and a quick look at it there.
Yep.
Okay, so that's the PC unboxed. I've had a quick look at it there on the desk. What we're going to do now is we're going to move into Oliver's bedroom. We'll sort out. We've got an old iMac in there, a really old one. It's unsupportable now. We can't do any upgrades coming now, Oliver.
No.
Totally done with. So we've been looking for a PC anyway for his room. So this one should be ideal. So what we'll do is we'll go into his bedroom now. We're going to connect it up. We don't have a monitor in there. We've got he's got a TV, a 27-inch TV, or is it a 32-inch?
I don't know.
Don't know. But anyway, we'll connect it up to his TV screen. He's got his mouse. He's got his keyboard from the Mac that he uses anyway. So we'll get it plugged in, get it connected to TV, and we'll power it up and set the device up in there.
Yep.
Okay, here we are in Oliver's really tidy desk area. It's a bit of a mess at the moment, isn't it, Oliver?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's got the old iMac like we mentioned there, TV screen. So his TV screen's got his switch. And he's got his PS4 just hiding down there. So what we'll do is we're going to remove the Mac. And I think what we'll do is, Oliver, we'll put the TV screen there so you can sit properly at the desk with it. Yeah. We'll connect up the PC that we've got there for him. And we'll give things a bit of a tidy up as well. So we'll pop it into time-lapse mode and we'll get cracking. Okay, so a quick time lapse of sorting his desk out. It didn't take long at all, really. So we've currently got it plugged in, power, HDMI into the TV, got his mouse and keyboard plugged in. We haven't switched it on yet. So Oliver, do you want to press the red button and switch it on? Okay, cool. Because it's a TV, it probably won't auto turn on the TV, so you might just turn your telly on, Oliver. And it's an HDMI source 2. So it might not flip to it. Let's just try quickly. Go to the next source, Oliver. HDMI 2. Yep. Okay. Come on now, there we go. So we've got the Trigkey logo on the screen. Just move it up slightly. So this will go through the same setup process, obviously any PC would. It's advertised as Windows 10. It's probably a Windows 10. Stop clicking it, Oliver, just wait. So what we'll do is we'll record this and I'll speed things up where necessary so you're not just staring at a loading screen. Okay, so that took about 30 seconds I think for that first part. So Oliver, do you want to select the language? Just click English, United States is fine. Click on yes. Okay, there we go. So it's going to go through the standard Windows welcome setup. Go to United Kingdom. Okay, it does have Ethernet. Try sided one. It does have Ethernet, but also we're going to connect via Wi-Fi. Okay, so we're connected. One thing I am noticing at the moment is that we've got different Wi-Fi SSIDs set up on our Unify network. The Huson Kids Wi-Fi one, which is one I set up for the kids to connect to, is a 2.4 gigahertz. I think I set it up only as. I've got the Huson Unify IoT on there, which again is 2.4 gigahertz. And the bottom one is Huson Unify, which is 5 gigahertz. So I don't think, maybe it's just a slightly lesser Wi-Fi card in there, but it's the 2.4 gigahertz I've been picked up stronger than the 5 gigahertz. So click on next, Oliver. Okay, so it's got the setup part to do. So what we'll do, again, we'll speed things up through this so we're not sat staring at a loading screen. Okay, so it's just the Windows 10 license agreement there, Oliver, so click accept. So what the plan is for the account, I'm going to set it up as me and then create Oliver a profile on the PC so he can use it on his own profile. So when this pops up in a second, I'll pop my details in. So we'll set it up for personal use. Then click next. Okay. Okay, so it'll set it up now with my account. Once I remember my password. Create a pin, so I'll create a pin. Okay, so that's a pin screen created. One thing to note, one thing just to say, obviously this is Windows 10. The S3 and the G3 that came were on Windows 11, so that's something that's slightly different. Okay, so that's the basic steps gone through, the account setup, accepting all the different privacy settings, etc. Now it's just going through the Windows 10 setup process. Now it's got all our details. So we'll give that a few minutes, come back when we're ready to log on. Okay, so that took probably 2 or 3 minutes and we're on to the Windows screen. I obviously logged in as myself. First thing to just point out is, probably because of the resolution of the TV screen, it is cropping in on the edges. So we'll need to sort that out in a second. So what we'll do is we will sort that out. We'll set up Oliver's profile on there. We'll log into Oliver's profile, install a couple of applications, and then we'll get using the PC. Yep. Okay, so we've done a check for updates. Tons of updates to do. We've sorted out the scaling of the screen. We adjusted it in the Intel graphics control panel. So we adjusted the settings just to bring it in from around the edges, and it's perfect now, isn't it, Oliver?
Yep.
So what we're going to do, we're going to let them updates download. And then we'll set Oliver up with a profile and he can start installing some applications. Okay, so we've started using, installed some applications, the Trigkey N4 Mini PC in Oliver's bedroom. So we did multiple things. We installed the Epic Games launcher to try and get Fall Guys, didn't we, Oliver?
Yeah.
We got Roblox on there.
Yeah.
Roblox Studio. Obviously the Edge web browser. So what we've found is, so Oliver wanted to play Fall Guys, didn't you, mate? You want to play Fall Guys? You play that on PlayStation, you like that game.
Yeah.
So for that we needed the Epic Games launcher and then download Fall Guys within the Epic Game launcher. Now what we found is it didn't run very well at all. So that high intensity kind of game streaming, you couldn't cope with it. So we tried it on the Epic Game launcher. We've also got the Stadia subscription, so we tried Stadia as well and played FIFA. And as you'll have seen on the videos, it just didn't cope with it. But Roblox were fine, wasn't it? How have you found Roblox, Oliver?
It was really smooth. It wasn't laggy at all, but only sometimes when it was like an open area, then it was quite laggy. Okay. But
you get laggy on all devices, don't you? Some lag on all devices, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Just play Roblox, that's been fine. You can watch YouTube videos fine, can't you?
Yeah.
Just basic internet browsing, absolutely fine. Word processing in office.com,
yeah,
that's all fine. It's just that extra little bit where you try and do game streaming, it just really can't cope with that. But at the end of the day, it's a low spec device. It's only 4 GB of RAM. The processor's not amazing in there. So I think that's what we were expecting. We were kind of trying to push it to its limit, weren't we, really, Oliver?
Yeah.
Which we did. So it can't do that. Obviously, I've got videos on the Trigkey G3 and the Trigkey S3, which I'll put links onto up on the top here somewhere, probably. So I'll put links there, and they cope with that fine. So what we're using right now to record this video, we're using the Trigkey S3, and we're using OBS. OBS runs fine in this one. DaVinci Resolve runs fine in it. But this N4, very much low spec PC, but perfect for web browsing, as we said. Low stream games, Roblox, etc. is fine. So yeah, so hopefully you like the video. Oliver, anything else to say?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, that's exactly that. And if you've got any comments, any questions about the PC, anything at all whatsoever, tiny question, big question, we don't mind. We'll get back to them all in the comment section. Yep, anything at all. And if there are any other videos, anything else you want to cover on the device, we'll probably do a review after 1 month. Oliver will keep using the device. We're going to do a 1 month review on all the Trigkey devices. So we'll be back with more videos. And as Oliver said, if you want to follow along on our Huson DIY journey, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.